Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Canva for beginners. So if you haven't been using Canva before and you are new to Canva and you want to learn some the basic steps how to use Canva, stay with me till the end because I will take you through all the necessary steps you should already know. I will show you how to create your own design and how to use templates. So let's start. If you have already created your Canva account, this is what you should see on the main screen. So it's the home page of Canva, but it could be a little bit different from your side because Canva is uh, actually changing it many times and it's actually updating it for the new features. So on the left side, you have the possibility to create some projects or choose from one of your projects. You can choose some templates and also you can create some brand. If you have some client for Facebook ads or Google ads, you can choose this one and create the whole brand for all of your projects or for all of your designs from this section. Also, you can use some applications. On the top right side, you have the possibility to create design. So let's go to the create design. And from this screen, you have a search bar where you can look for anything you want to create. Let's say that you want to create a YouTube video, just type here YouTube, and you have a lot of possibilities to create YouTube Shorts, YouTube video, YouTube thumbnail, channel logo, YouTube banner, YouTube video chapter. Okay. Also, if you type here, just let's say Facebook, and it's the same. Uh, on the bottom of this screen, you have possibility to create custom size of your project, or you can import some files here. So you can work with some photos or with some design you have already downloaded to your computer. So let's create a custom size. Uh, Just I will use this size for my project and create because it's using for Facebook shop ads and I'm using it also for my clients. So create new design and this is how it looks like inside the Canva editor. This big white space is actually your workspace. And on the left side, you have the menu where you can looking for some designs or templates or styles. Also, here is the element sections, and in the element sections, you have a lot of actually a lot of things that you could use. So here is the stickers, photos, videos, audio, charts, tables, frames, gears. So this is why I love Canva because there is so many things that you can use for your project. Also on the after elements, you can go to the text and you can use some default text or you can simply looking for some templates you are actually liking and put it into your project. Also, there is the brand section. As I told you, you can create a whole new brand for which you are going to use for your client. Then here is the upload section, and you can actually upload files like images, videos, and audios from your computer or from your mobile if you are using mobile device. Then there is a draw section where you can draw anything in Canva, but I am not using it because I am not good in drawing. That's why I'm not using it. Then you have the projects you are working on. You can choose from them, and applications you can look and you can look for some others. For some application you would like, let's say that I would like to looking for I would like to use in my project text to speech. Okay, text to speech, and here is a lot of application for text to speech. You can choose one of them and going through all the steps. Then here is the photo section, and that's the big library from Canva. Also the audio, video, and if you are missing some of these settings, simply go to application and type here photos. Okay, and just click on that and it will showing here. Okay, so let's go to the Canva to the workspace. Click on this white background, and from you can simply change your background color here on the top left, and you can choose any color you want. If you are in Canva Pro, you have more possibilities. If you are in the free Canva, you are a little bit limited. Okay, but it's not a big deal if you are just starting with Canva. So let's say that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail for my project. So let's create some templates, and I will choose YouTube. And you can see here that there is a lot of templates on this website, and you can choose one of the templates for creating your thumbnail. Let's say that I want to create a thumbnail looking like this one, so I will simply uh, looking for some shocking guy. Okay, shocking guy, no shocking guy. And I will use, let's say, this one because he's showing with his fingers on some uh, space. And I can actually remove background from this, but it's only possible for Canva Pro. So if I want just use this guy without this background, I simply can go to edit image and use the background remover. Okay, it will remove my background, and I can use actually any background here. So let's say that I want to use this green one background. It's not looking better than the previous one, but it's only for the educational purpose. Okay, so I can also flip this image from one side to another side or from up to down. And also I can use some animation for this image. So let's say that I want to breathe him. Or I just want to bring him to the workspace. And in the Pro section, you have possibility to use slower speed, or you can change this direction. Also, here is the very important thing, and that's the position of this image. So let's say that I will add some text here, and I will edit it. YouTube thumbnail. And this is how you can work actually with text. You can choose any actually any font or text style. So I will choose one of the most used fonts, and it's Roboto Bot. Actually, I like this font. Then you have possibility to make this actually the text bigger or smaller. So yeah, this is how you can change it, or you can simply double click it here and choose other size. But I will use the bigger one with the thumbnail. Then you can make it colorful. You can choose from some colors and also making it bold. and some other possibilities for your text. You can center it, uh, or you can use some effects for your text. So go to the effects, and I want to add some shadow, and it's looking a bit better. For the shadow, you can change also the color. I don't want to use this green one. The black one is probably the best one. And you can make it blur. You can make it more offset or change the direction. But it is good as it is. And the transparency, it's so it will be transparent or no transparent. The transparency, everything is good. And as I told you, also you have the animation, the possibility of using animation. But I saw during the previous, few seconds before or a few minutes before, that most important is position of your text or of your photos, so of, of all of your elements. Position, it means that you can choose the background, the text or the other object to the back. So let's say I will use this one, and I don't want it center. Okay, so I will use this guy like him. Then, once you are done with your project, this is just, I'm not going to finish this project and make it looking good because, as I told you, you have the possibility to choose from templates for your project. So let's say I will just choose this one template, replace the current page because I don't want to work with this one. Yes, replace the current page, and this is the test for me. So, uh, how you can actually download this project once you are done is going to the top right and click on the share. And from this section, simply go to the download and choose the type of your project you would like to. So if you want to download it as a PDF, let's say that you have been doing some pivots, you can download this as PDF, or for logos of your company or your project, I highly recommend going with SVG because it will be best for your logo. Go download it in SVG. But for some pictures on the, let's say, Facebook ads or for your own projects, I highly recommend going with the PNG. Then you can make your background transparent, but it's only possible for Canva Pro. So I will download this as it is, and yeah, this is all. So this is how you can create actually your first project in Canva. And as I told you, you have a lot of possibilities here. You can use a lot of elements. You can use any tags you want and choose from a lot of fonts. And yeah, this is how it works in Canva. So this is short tutorial for beginners. Thanks. Bye.